Last weekend, I went to the Carolina Exotic Car Club to check out some cars.
In a white room with black curtains near the station.
The show had plenty of awesome cars to look at, as well as the driving simulator.
Silver horses ran down moonbeams in your dark eyes. Dawnlight smiled.
Overall, we had a great time and stayed for almost 2 hours. Comment if I should do a full video.